Hi friends, Suzanne here. Welcome to another Wildcard Wednesday video on my YouTube channel and blog. For today's project, I am featuring the Country Flowers bundle. I've been playing with this stamp set for a little while now and I'm loving it. It's in the annual catalog. So I am inking up my images. I have stamped with Memento Tuxedo black ink on a basic white stamping weight paper, the teapot, the stool, the metal bucket, and 2 sets of flowers. So we're just going to be combining those elements together on the card front, and I will be using some designer series paper because I can't seem to leave that out. That would be the Country Woods pattern paper. I also I like little stamps, so there are 2 little stamps that I really liked here. One was the image for the teapot. It adds a little extra detail, and then the flower market decal. Well, Canadians call it decals. Americans, I think they call it decals, and it's just the writing flower market on the bucket there. So I'm using light and dark. I have a plethora of blends markers here. I didn't use my whole stash, but quite a bit. So I'm going to leave you with some music. I will leave all of the colors that I used in the description box below, so you can tell which colors I used. And so if you're watching this on YouTube, it's in the description box below. Or if you're watching this on my blog, you will find it in the supplies section of the blog. So I'm going to leave you for now, and then we're going to catch you up in a minute. All right, so I die cut that out, and I actually just removed that footage so that this video wouldn't be too long. So I adhered some adhesive on the back side of the flowers, and now I'm going to put one set of flowers on my little teapot and the other on in the flower, or in the pot, in the, I guess it's a metal pot. And here is the Country Woods 12 by 12 designer series paper, or pattern paper. It looks like wood. This is smoky slate for my card base. And yeah, so we're just adhering that down. This is kind of all from the same suite. But yeah, like it, so it has that country sort of vibe to it. So again, I am going to use another piece of the designer series paper, Country Woods, but I have a dauber here. This is sort of already inked up with early espresso, and I'm just creating some dark edges. I was thinking about just doing one side, but I actually, I'm glad I did all the sides. I don't know why, I just think that it looks a lot better. So, and of course, you've probably seen me do this before. I'm on a non-porous surface so that I can pick up some ink when I need it. So this is just a grid mat that paper that has been laminated. If you have a piece of plastic, it works the same. And I'm able to like put some ink down. And first of all, I don't get my table messy with ink. And second of all, I am able to pick up the ink when I need it, so I don't have to re-ink my little finger dauber. All right, so I've put that, it's just a little 1.5 inch piece, but it just adds, it makes it look like it's the floor. So I'm happy I did that. I adhered the stool, and then the teapot goes on the stool, and then the flower pot or the metal bucket goes just a little bit forward so that it looks like a slightly dimensional. And I also needed to leave room for the sentiment, you guys. I almost forgot the sentiment again. I think I'm getting worse and worse for that. I just stamped right on the pattern paper, and I used the sentiment, sending love. So after that was finished, I cleaned up my workspace, and I took my my Wink of Stella glitter brush pen. I went over the teapot to create a slight enamel look. I made sure to avoid that the little design on the front, so I didn't smudge any ink. And I did also the roses and just the line and the bottom sort of rung of the metal bucket. So I just want to say thank you so much for spending time with me today, for all the comments you leave, for the thumbs up, and all the YouTubey things that you guys do. If you haven't subscribed yet, please consider it, as it helps my small channel grow. So that's my card for today. Thanks again for watching, and bye for now.